Welcome back to my channel again. So first of all, I would like to say thank you to all the viewers who helped to reach my channel till 100 subscribers. So in this video, I'll explain you about the schooling revolution in Himachal Pradesh. If we observe, at present in Himachal Pradesh, many of the children are attending to the schools in that state when we compare with another states in India. So the reason behind that is at the time of independence, Himachal Pradesh is having low levels of education. It is having very low levels of education, and the attendance of children to the schools is very less when compared with the other states. Then, then both the people and government were keen about accessing the education to the children, and so the government started some of the measures to implement the to run the many schools and to increase the percentage of attendance of the children to the schools. Being a hilly area and being with low density of population, increasing the attendance of children and running the schools is a big challenging task. So now let us see what are the measures that are implemented by the government to increase the attendance of the children to the school. The government wanted to construct the schools and to run the schools with large or small. So the first two measures took by the government are, the first measure is establishing more amount of schools, and the second step is the education is free of cost or little amount of charge for the parents. And coming to the third measure, the government of Himachal Pradesh spent a large amount or money on education of each child on from the government budget. So from the government budget of this Himachal Pradesh government, this government spent a large amount on each child education from this government budget. If we take an example, as per the records in the year 2005, the majority of the states in India are spending the amount on each child education is 1049 rupees. But in the same year, in the 2005, this government of Himachal Pradesh spent 2005 rupees on each child's education. So the difference is more. Similarly, 1000 rupees more has spent by the government of Himachal Pradesh on each child education. So this is the third step took by the Himachal Pradesh to spread the education among the states. But the Himachal Pradesh government is lower gender bias. Gender bias is nothing but like gender discrimination. It is similar with the gender discrimination. So we know from the years that there is a gender discrimination between the boy and girl in education. So majority of the parents across the country will afraid on education about the boy, but they will not concentrate on girls education. So but in the Himachal Pradesh, many of the parents were keen about the girls education more than the boys education. So they were able to achieve the more attendance of the girls to the school, and overall they were able to achieve the attendance of both in the schools. So there is lower gender bias in the Himachal Pradesh when compared with the other states of India. Many of the Himachal Pradesh women are employed outside. They are employed and they are paid for their work. Means they will get the salaries for their work. They are given some amount of money or anything for their work. So this is the reason behind that many of the employed women will have greater say in the household decisions and decisions on their child. So many of the Himachal Pradesh women wanted their girl to work at outside after their marriage. So that's why the employment of girl in Himachal Pradesh is also more when we compare with the other states of India. This is the plus point for the Himachal Pradesh. So that's why there is a lower gender bias in the Himachal Pradesh. So the fifth measure is Mahila Mandals. So these Mahila Mandals include two things. social activities and village politics. Mahila, the word Mahila means a woman. So many of the women joined Mahila Mandals and they were united to send their girls send their daughters to their school for the education, and they also wanted their daughters or child to complete their secondary education and to be employed outside after their marriage. So many of these people of the Mahila Mandals, women of the Mahila Mandals, were engaged in the social activities and were also engaged in the village politics. So that's why the lower gender bias and this Mahila Mandals is the main reason for also women are self-employed and employed outside and they are paid for their work. Many of the parents of the Himachal Pradesh were able to afford for the education of their children. Their financial situation is better when we compared with the other states. So that's why they were able to afford an education for their children. All the factors included in the schooling revolution of Himachal Pradesh. That's why they were able to achieve the more attendance of children to the schools and lower infant mortality rate (IMR). Means the death rate of most of the children was less in the Himachal Pradesh. So this is about the schooling revolution in the state of Himachal Pradesh. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.